Day 2 here at TriggerCon 2023 in beautiful Wichita, Kansas. That is the show floor down below. We're going to go down there, talk with some pretty cool companies, check out some pretty neat products. We'll meet you down there. Let's go. All right, let's check out some cool knives here, and you got a lot of them. But good to see you, man.
Good to see you as well.
Best seller for you guys.
Our best sellers are Bravo 5. It's just a really good everyday carry size. Fits on the kit, fits in your pocket, just about anywhere you want it to fit.
Right.
It's not too big, it's not too little.
It's got that nice weight and balance to it, doesn't it? It fits my hand good. Very cool.
Yeah, definitely. Our business partner, Justin Melnick, helped us design it. He's on the SEAL Team TV show.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So that's his logo that you're seeing on the other side of the blade.
Ah, nice. Okay.
The little dog skull.
Yeah. Gotcha. Gotcha. And as far as scabbard or whatever, looks like pretty much all your stuff's Kydex.
Yep, it comes with a Kydex sheath molded to each knife with a Tech Lock belt clip.
Any reason it's Kydex instead of leather?
It works. It's not going to deteriorate, and it's not going to hold moisture that's going to rust your knife.
A tactical standpoint, a little more efficient.
Exactly.
Basically.
It's going to hold it really secure.
Yeah, right. Very cool. Well, you've got some new stuff as well that you've got here. What do we got that's new? I know we got some push daggers and then some other stuff.
Yeah, so our push dagger is new. We call it our stabber dagger. We did a lot of research on the market, and there's a lot of cheap push daggers, and then there's a lot of really nice expensive ones. So we wanted to be right in the middle, something that's really utilitarian and serves its purpose. It's durable.
Well, I noticed that most of the grips, the hilts, the handles, kind of have that same texture and design, which is pretty cool. Is there a story behind the use of that at all?
Well, the first couple knives I made, I just lined up where my fingers lay.
Yeah, exactly.
And it turned into a really comfortable grip. So that's they're all on purpose, right? It's all
molded off of your fingers, then, basically. Yeah,
exactly. Yeah. So this one is the same.
It does. It has a great feel, a great fit. It's got just enough texture. That's really cool.
Thank you.
Awesome.
We went with a chisel grind on this one. You can see it's flat on the back. Right. That way it gives it more meat at the tip. So you don't have to worry about the tip breaking off when you use it.
When you use it, yeah. Yeah, that is pretty freaking neat. And then you've got something that's not even metal.
Yeah, so our ultralight non-metallic. This is a Zytel injection molded. It weighs 1.2 ounces.
Wow, there's nothing to that.
Yeah, so it's based on...
It wouldn't make a good throwing knife, probably, because there's no weight to it.
It's based off of our Bravo 5. So it's the same...
I never noticed that when I was looking, but you're right. It's identical. It's just not metal.
Yep. It's just got a more pronounced tip because it's meant for... You're too close. Get back,
basically
please.
Like a push dagger type thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get off me.
Yeah. You're too close. Back up, and then you run away. You know.
Right.
You can carry it in workout clothes. It weighs so little.
Yeah, it does. It weighs nothing.
The whole package.
That weighs more than the knife, I think.
Yeah, they're about really similar.
Pretty close to the same.
Yep.
Yeah. It's definitely, it feels like that might actually weigh a little more, and probably because the weight's distributed across a longer area there on that. Man, that is totally freaking cool. Now, why?
We've seen a lot.
Because
we've seen a lot, and we've had people ask for them.
Yeah.
A lot of people just take a piece of G10, which is what we use for our handles, and grind it into like a knife-looking thing, and then they like 550 cord wrap a belt clip on there or something.
Yeah.
Like, that's cool, but I think we can do better.
Right. Well, you've had like defensive knuckles and all types of little plastic defensive tools for years. So makes sense. I mean, just take it and have a knife that's not a toy.
It's definitely not a toy.
Definitely not a toy knife.
We've stabbed through all kinds of things with this thing.
Oh yeah, it's definitely sturdy. And you said what, it was like Zytel or something?
Yeah, it's an industrial grade nylon.
Oh, okay.
So that's why it's so light and so strong.
Right. Yeah. It is. I mean, it's hardly got any flex to it at all.
If you stab it into the concrete floor, it's going to break.
Well, obviously.
Yeah, but if you stab it into something softer than that.
Well, this one's going to break. Now, I'm sure version 2.0, the Gen 2, I mean, will probably go through concrete and steel and right? I mean, y'all are working on that, surely.
Always working on.
Probably has an incorporated laser beam and thermonuclear warhead attached to it as well, I'm sure. We'll get there.
Yeah,
we'll get there.
It's
yeah,
definitely all those things.
Cool stuff. Thanks for talking with us. Thanks for showing us some stuff.
Thanks for taking the time.
Thanks for hanging out and looking at some cool knives. This one's done. Next time, don't forget to change fire freedom. Bye.